Question 1. Service Set Identifier, SSID, is another term for the name of a wireless local area network, WLAN. Wireless networks advertise their presence by regularly broadcasting the SSID in a special packet called beacon frame. In wireless networks with disabled security features, knowing the network SSID is enough to get access to the network. SSID also pinpoints the wireless router that acts as a wireless access point, WAP. Wireless routers from the same manufacturer are frequently configured with default, well-known, SSID names. Since multiple devices with the same SSID displayed on the list of available networks create confusion and encourage accidental access by unauthorized users, applies to networks that lack security, changing the default SSID is a recommended practice. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is A. True. Question 2. For a wireless client to be able to connect to a network, the security type, e.g. WEP, WPA, or WPA2, and encryption type, e.g. TKIP or AES, settings on the connecting host must match the corresponding wireless security settings on a wireless access point, WAP. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is A. True. Question 3. Premium versions of the Microsoft OS contain a built-in component that enables encryption of individual files. This feature is known as A. Encrypting File System, EFS. B. Advanced Encryption Standard, AES. C. Trusted Platform Module, TPM. D. New Technology File System, NTFS. The correct answer is A. Encrypting File System, EFS. Question 4. The two factors that are considered important for creating strong passwords are, select two answers. A. Password length. B. Minimum password age. C. Password history. D. Password complexity. E. Maximum password age. The correct answers are A. Password length. D. Password complexity. Question 5. A strong password that meets the password complexity requirement should contain, select the best answer. A. Uppercase letters, AZ. B. Digits, 0 to 9. C. Non-alphanumeric characters if permitted, e.g., @ hashtag, $. D. Lowercase letters, AZ. E. A combination of characters from at least 3 character groups. The correct answer is E. A combination of characters from at least 3 character groups. Question 6. Which of the following would be the best recommendation for a minimum password length? A. At least 2 characters. B. At least 4 characters. C. At least 6 characters. D. At least 8 characters. The correct answer is D. At least 8 characters. Question 7. Which of the following passwords is the most complex? AT$7C52WL4SU. BGDL328WXYZ. C at TXBL$NW at XT. DG$L328WY at Z. The correct answer is DG$L328WY@Z. Question 8. Which of the following password best practices would mitigate the security risk posed by temporary workers? A. Password expiration. B. Strong passwords. C. BIOS/UEFI passwords. D. Screensaver required password. The correct answer is A. Password expiration. Question 9. Screensaver password requirement falls into the category of password best practices. A password-protected screensaver allows to block access of unauthorized persons to a user's workstation in situations where the user is forced to leave their desk. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is A. True. Question 10. BIOS/UEFI passwords improve the security of a workstation. These low-level passwords may, for example, prevent unauthorized users to proceed when the computer is powered on, or restrict the scope of changes a user can make in the BIOS/UEFI interface. A type of BIOS/UEFI password with the highest level of permissions is known as supervisor or administrator password. The other type of password is user password. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is A. True. Question 11. Which of the following password policy settings determines the number of unique new passwords that must be associated with a user account before an old password can be reused? A. Password history setting. B. Maximum password age setting. C. Account lockout threshold setting. D. Minimum password age setting. The correct answer is A. Password history setting. Question 12. Which password policy setting prevents users from repeatedly changing their passwords to bypass the password history policy setting and get back to their original/preferred password? A. Minimum password age setting. B. Password complexity setting. C. Account lockout threshold setting. D. Login time restrictions. The correct answer is A. Minimum password age setting. Question 13. Which of the following password policy settings prevents attackers using cracked passwords from gaining permanent access to a Windows workstation? A. Login time restrictions. B. Password complexity setting. C. Account lockout threshold setting. D. Maximum password age setting. The correct answer is D. Maximum password age setting. Question 14. The category of account management security best practices includes the practice of restricting user administrative privileges to operating systems and applications based on user duties. Operating systems simplify this process by introducing the concept of user groups equipped with different types of permissions, which allow system administrators to simultaneously manage permissions of multiple user accounts based on group membership. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is A. True. Question 15. Which of the following account management security measures narrows down a user's computer access to specified hours? A. Principle of least privilege. B. Guest account. C. Failed login attempts lockout. D. Login time restrictions. The correct answer is D. Login time restrictions. Question 16. Because the guest account in MS Windows allows a user to log on to a network, browse the internet, and shut down the computer, it is recommended to keep it disabled when it isn't being used. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is A. True. Question 17. Which of the following account management security solutions provide countermeasures against brute force attacks? Select two answers. A. Login time restrictions. B. Timeout period between login attempts. C. Principle of least privilege. D. Screensaver password requirement. E. Failed attempts lockout. The correct answers are B. Timeout period between login attempts. E. Failed attempts lockout. Question 18. Implementing a computer screen lock is one of the account management security best practices. The screen lock can be used as a countermeasure against brute force attacks, as it can be set to block computer access after a specified number of failed login attempts. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is A. True. Question 19. The importance of changing default usernames and passwords can be illustrated on the example of certain network devices, e.g. routers, which are often shipped with default and well-known admin credentials that can be looked up on the web. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is A. True. Question 20. Active Directory Users and Computers, ADUC, is a Microsoft Management Console, MMC, snap-in included in most Windows Server OSs. The Active Directory Users and Computers snap-in allows system administrators to manage resources in the Active Directory, AD, environment, e.g. to create, delete, disable, unlock accounts, or to reset account passwords. On a Windows Server OS, the Active Directory Users and Computers snap-in resides in A. Local users and groups in computer management. B. Windows Control Panel. C. User accounts in Windows Control Panel. D. Administrative Tools folder in Windows Control Panel. The correct answer is D. Administrative Tools folder in Windows Control Panel. Question 21. An MS Windows feature enabling automatic execution of code contained on a mounted drive is called Auto Run. Since disabling Auto Run decreases potential security risk related to the propagation of malware, Windows 7/8/8.1/10 have Auto Run disabled by default. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is A. True. Question 22. Which of the following data encryption tools can be used to secure a Windows workstation? Select all that apply. A. File Vault, file level encryption. B. BitLocker, drive level encryption. C. EFS, file level encryption. D. File Vault, drive level encryption. E. BitLocker to go, removable media encryption. The correct answers are B. BitLocker, drive level encryption. C. EFS, file level encryption. Question 23. The process of securing a workstation should involve keeping track of available system updates and patches. A single PC running Windows can be updated and patched via the Windows Update service. A similar type of service that enables centralized management and distribution of updates and patches to multiple Windows-based hosts in a corporate environment is known as Windows Server Update Services, WSUS. A. True. B. False. The correct answer is A. True. Question 24. A user interface element controlling access to a mobile device after the device is powered on is called A. Launcher. B. Screen lock. C. Privacy filter. D. Hardware lock. The correct answer is B. Screen lock. Question 25. Which of the following answers refers to A. Screen lock type, S, used for securing access to a mobile device? A. Fingerprint lock. B. Face lock. C. Swipe lock. D. Passcode lock. E. All of the above. The correct answer is E. All of the above.